ordered the contents of this box probably 2.5 months ago, and I received the box about 2 weeks ago. It's for the Chevy. And it came from Vintage Wiring of Maine. Looks like we have our instructions here. Wow, are you kidding me? Look at this. Here's the young lady I spoke with. Very pleasant, very professional. Well, it used to be Vintage Wiring of Maine, but these folks bought the business when the old guy was retiring. So if you have a vintage vehicle, here's a little show of what you're going to get. I didn't know I'd get this. Just going to go through this really quickly. There's a schematic. I've seen this one. This is right out of the technical maintenance manual. Awesome. That's awesome. Wow. We'll have to study these instructions before I start installing. Let's take a quick peek at what they... Oh my God. I'm not going to open... Oh, I can. There's Ziploc bags. Jeez. So this is what an original wire harness would look like with the cloth-covered wires. And I know what they do. This cloth braid is applied over new vinyl coated wire, so it makes... Oh man, this is exciting. I didn't know they went to this much trouble. Now, there was a truck that I found in Southern California that had a lot of parts. I called it the pretzel. The frame was bent pretty badly, and it had these original connectors for the rear portion of the chassis, and I saved them not knowing that wiring harness like this would be this exactly detailed. I didn't say that right. I didn't know that the wire harness would be detailed to these exacting specifications. This is unbelievable. I am impressed. So this is the part of the harness that goes to the rear of the chassis. Wow. So we have the rear of the chassis. Oh yeah. She sent me some spare wire, and I have connectors. This is for my push button starter. The guy that I was building this truck for a long time ago removed the pedal starter, and I think it was because the starter was 6 volt and he went 12 volts or whatever, but the pedal starter, the foot pedal starter is gone. I have one. I could probably put it back on. It's very easy to do. Here's the front chassis harness, and I think this goes to the headlights, left and right side, of course. Oh man. Body wiring harness. I didn't even have to buy these. These are for the light bulb holders for the little sockets that go over the instruments. Got a train rolling by. Look at that. Generator to regulator harness. That's awesome. And I saved like 9 of these headlight plugs. Those things plug and play, man. And I bought a whole bunch of these too for the tail lights. Right side harness, left side harness, ignition switch to coil, starter to ammeter, coil to distributor, blackout marker light wires, fuel gauge to circuit breaker feed. Wow. There's a lot here, but that means everything gets to be broken down into little build sections, which is nice. Buddy of mine says you can't eat an elephant in one bite, so you got to break it up into a bunch of little bites. There it is, wire harness for the Chevy, and it is nice. Thank you, Vintage Wiring. Appreciate all your hard work. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day.